5:31 on your Thursday evening. And look at that, the bridge all lit up, the stacks looking pretty there.
Thanks for taking that read over. I thought I was going to sneeze.
I was so confused what you were doing. I was like, this is Dan's read.
I thought I was going to sneeze, but I was able to keep it in a little bit. So thank you.
I mean, you're a
always
pro.
there when I need you.
I know. I was like, no, stop it. What are you talking about? I don't know
Stop
what this guy's
bothering
talking.
me,
Look at
like
you're
usual.
supposed to read. Yeah.
I'll tell you, what a beautiful stretch here, Mark. You thinking about hitting the links tomorrow?
I'd like to, but no.